This HP 15 laptop in jet black color comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. Weighing only 1.85 kgs, this laptop is ideal for people on the go. Powered by the AMD Athlon Silver 3050U processor, the laptop allows you to browse and work efficiently. The laptop comes with pre-installed MS Office, making it ready for use. The laptop features a 4GB DDR4 RAM with AMD Radeon graphics that allows you to switch easily between applications. The HP laptop has 1 TB of hard disk space, which is sufficient to hold all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 41 watt-hour Li-ion battery that provides up to 12 hours of battery life. This HP laptop has a 15.6-inch HD Micro Edge Bright View display with anti-glare technology, offering an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. It comes with dual speakers for an immersive audio experience. The laptop features a full-size keyboard with numeric keypad. It also has a precision touchpad with multi-touch gesture support. The laptop has one Super Speed USB Type-C, two Super Speed USB Type-A, one HDMI 1.4b and one RJ45 port for easy connectivity. It also comes with one AC smart pin and one headphone microphone combo jack. The laptop comes with included battery and 65-watt EM-AC power adapter included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. This ceramic white HP Chromebook touchscreen laptop comes pre-installed with Chrome OS, making it ready to use. Weighing only 1.46 kgs, this laptop is ideal for people on the go. Powered by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor, the laptop allows you to browse and work efficiently. The laptop features a 4GB DDR4 memory with Intel UHD 600 graphics that allows you to switch easily between applications. The laptop comes with 64GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with a 47 watt-hour lithium-ion battery that gives a battery life up to 9.18 hours. This HP laptop has a 14-inch Micro Edge HD Plus touch display for an immersive viewing experience. It also comes with Bang & Olufsen speakers for a superior audio experience. It features Google Assistant that allows for voice control. The laptop has 3 USB 3.0 ports and one audio out port for easy connectivity. The laptop comes with battery, AC adapter, user guide and manuals included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page. This HP Chromebook comes pre-installed with Chrome OS, making it ready to use. It weighs only 1 kg 350 grams. This laptop is ideal for people on the go. It is powered by Intel processor Celeron. It works in the speed of 1.1 GHz that allows you to work more efficiently. This Chromebook features a 4GB DDR4 RAM with Intel UHD Graphics 600 that makes it suitable for daily computing needs. This HP Chromebook supports 4GB memory space for you to store all your documents, videos, movies and photos to access them anywhere on the go. It comes with a 4.4-watt lithium polymer battery that weighs about 10 grams and gives it a battery life of up to 9.18 hours. This HP Chromebook has a 12-inch touchscreen with resolution 1366 x 768 HD ready for better use and gives an immersive viewing experience. It has Bang & Olufsen speakers for better hearing experience. The laptop comes with a HP TrueVision HD camera with integrated dual-array digital microphone for video calling. It has one USB 3.0 port, one audio out port, two USB-C ports. This HP Chromebook comes with an AC adapter, battery, user guide and manuals. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.